Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to start the new unit 4. The name is playing with numbers. Playing with numbers. First we have learned the numbers. Numbers in general form. Okay. Numbers in general form. Okay. Second, we have learned the coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. And decoding. Okay. And third one is puzzles. Number puzzles. Okay. Number and puzzle games like riddles. Okay, so today we are going to learn about these three concepts. Number in general form. So already we have learned method of writing numbers in an expanded form, is it? How can you write? For example, we have considered the 2-digit number. Okay, 2-digit number. Let us consider a 2-digit number. 2-digit number is 56. How can you expand this number? So 56 can be written as 50 plus 6. Okay, it can written as 5 times, is it? So first, how many tens? 5. So 5 tens, it can written as 10 into 5. Tens எத்தனை மாதிரி இருக்கு? 5 plus how many ones are there? 6. This is an expanded form of this given number. Say another one of the example. This is a tens digit, is it? Tens digit. This is called the ones digit. Okay, another one of the example, 75. How can you expand this? We have expanded the 75 as 70 plus 5. 70 plus 5. Okay, so how many tens are there? 7 tens. How many tens? 7 tens. So 10 into 7 plus 5. Okay, so here this is a tens digit. Okay, it's a tens digit. This is a ones digit. Okay, do you understand? In generally we have write this 2-digit number general form. Okay, in general form of a 2-digit number AB, okay, made up of, how can you write? 10A plus B. Okay, made up of, okay, made up of the digit AB as 10A plus B. 10A plus B. Okay, this is a 2-digit. Okay, now we have considered the 3-digit number. We have considered the 3-digit number. Let us consider the 3-digit number. We have considered which number? Say any one of the number. Okay, 608. We have considered the 3-digit number. Okay, so 3-digit number 608. How can you expand that form? How can you write the expanded form? 600 plus how many tens are there? Here tens is there? No. So in this place we have write 0 plus how many ones? 8 ones. Okay, plus 8. Okay, and next how can you expand this 600? 100 into 6. Okay, so how many tens are there? 0 tens. Is it? Tens is not there. And then plus how many ones? 8. Okay, so that's meaning is this is a 100 digit, is it? 100 digit. Okay, this is a tens digit. Tens digit. And this is ones digit. Ones digit. Okay, very clear? So, number in general form of we have learned in the previous class method of writing the numbers in expanded form. Is it? So, first see the example for the 2-digit number. This is a general form of the 2-digit number. And then let we have considered the 3-digit number. See one more example for 3-digit. Okay, 527. Okay, how can we expand? How can you expand it, ma? So 500 plus 20 plus 7. Okay. So 500 can be written as 100 times, is it? 100. How many times? 5 times. 100 into 5 times. So 100 etra times, ma? 5 times. And then how many tens? 2 tens. So 10 into 2 plus how many ones? Here 5 is the 100 digit, tens digit, ones digit. Ones digit. This is called the expanded form. 608 is called the general form of the number. Okay, this is a general number. So expanded form is given. How can you write in the general form? We have write 600 plus 0 plus 8 is given. What we do? Merge all the numbers as of ones, tens, hundreds methods. Okay, add we get the 608. So 608 is called the general number. This is called the expanded form. Okay, so in general form of 3-digit number, in general form of 3-digit number A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C is made up of the digit, A, B, C, made up of these digits A, B and C. It is written as, how can you write? A, B, C is equal to 100A plus 10B plus 1C. Okay, that is the meaning of general form of 3-digit number. Is this possible to write BAC? What is the value of BAC? BAC means 100B. Okay, 100B plus 10A. Okay, plus C. Both are equal. This is not possible. The value is change. Okay, the value will be change. Okay, ma? So it's not possible. It's only correct. Okay, right. Now see the example 1. Example 1. Write the following numbers in the general form. Okay, so general form means I have write the expanded form. Okay, so A is equal to 69 is given. So solution, how can you write? 69 can be written as 10 times of 6. Step by step you will write. Okay, 60 plus 9. Okay, you can write 10 into 6 plus 9. Okay, 10 into 6 plus 9, that is answer. And B1, 278. So how can you write? 200 plus 70 plus 8. It can write in the expanded form as 100 into 2, twice or times. So 100 digits, 200 digits, 7 10 digits plus 8 ones plus 8 ones. Okay. Next to C problem. 5987. So 5000 plus 900 plus 80 plus 7. 80 plus 7. So how do you write? 1000. 1000 into 5 plus 9 hundreds into 9 plus tens 8 and 7 ones and 7 ones. Okay, and C problem completed. And final one, D problem. 999. 999 can be written as 900 plus 90 plus 9. Okay, so 100 into 9 plus 10 into 9 plus 9. So 100 9 digits. Okay, and then how many tens? 9 tens, 9 ones. Okay, now see the example 2. This is the example 1. Now what is the example 2? Write the following in the usual form. Expanded form is given, you will write in the usual form is general form. Okay. So first one, A cross 10 plus 9. So how can you write? 8 tens are 80 plus 9. So what is the value? 89. And B, 7 into 1000 plus 1 into 100 plus 7. Okay, right? 7000 plus 100 plus 7. Here tens digit is not given. Tens digit is not given. Okay, so have add this. How can you add? 7000, carefully write. Okay, so 100 once. So answer is 7107. 7107. And next one of that, 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 1. So we have multiplied 500. 5 into 100, 500 plus 9 into 10, 9 tens are 90 plus 1. So add 591. 591 in a orderly given as it's ones, tens and hundreds. So we have add and write in the general form. Okay, and D problem, 2 multiplied by 1000 plus 7. Here 1000 place and ones place only given. Which are the digits are not given? Which are the places are not given? Tens and hundreds digits are not given. Okay, so how can you write? Multiply this 2 into 1000, 2000 plus 7. Okay. Add these two values, 2007. Okay. That's it. And next one, example 3. Example 3, what is given? The sum of digit of a number. The sum of digit of a number is SUM sum. Okay. So the sum of digits of a number is 12. So add two numbers, we get the value is 12 is given. If both the digits are interchanged. Okay, we know that 2-digit general form, is it? So if the both digits are interchanged, then the newly formed number is 36. So interchanging the numbers, so ones place move to the tens place and tens place move to the ones place. Then we get the value is 36 more than the original number. Okay, more than the original number means original number 36 வந்து அதிகமா இருக்கும் அப்படினா what is the original number? What is the original number? Okay, so how do you write? Let the place value, let the place value of ones digit is equal to x. Okay, we have considered the ones digit as x, and then the place value, let the place value of tens digit. Okay, tens digit is equal to y. Tens digit is equal to y. Okay, so the general form, we have considered the original number. Okay, so original number means general form. General or number எப்படி இருக்கும் 2-digit number. Original number is equal to 10 times of y, is it? So tens digit 10y plus ones digit is x. Okay, this is an original number. Okay, we have to find out this number only. Okay, and next the sum of the digit of the number is 12. So what are the numbers we have considered? Given the sum of the digits. So x plus y is equal to which number is given? 12. Okay, sum of the two digit is 12 is given. Okay, and then if the both digits are interchanged, so interchange the numbers means, so ones digits move to tens place and tens digit move to the ones place. So interchanging numbers, interchange the digits of a number, it is equal to 10x plus y. Interchange, ones place move to the tens place move to the ones place. Okay, right, this equation number 1 we have considered. Okay, we have considered this one as equation number 1. And next condition is, if the both digits are interchanged, then the newly formed number is 36 more than the original number. So according to the question, okay, according to the question, so interchanging number, what is that? 10x, okay, plus y. 10x plus y is equal to, then the newly formed is 36 more than the original number. So what is the original number here? 36 more than the, more than means we have to add. Okay, 36. The newly found the number is 36 more than the original number. So what is the original number we have considered? 10y plus x. Okay, so that 10y plus x come to this side, 10x plus y minus 10y plus x equal to 36. Okay, now subtraction multiply in each terms. Ten x plus y minus 10y minus x equal to 36. So now subtract the like terms. Okay, so 10x minus x, 9x minus 10y plus y. So subtract 9y. The greater number sign is minus. So 9x minus 9y is equal to 36. It's divisible by 9, is it? So what we get? X minus y is equal to 4. Is denoted the equation number 2. Okay. So compare the equation number 1 and 2. Okay. Compare number 1 and 2. What is the equation number 1? X plus y is equal to 12. Is it? And the equation number 2 is x minus y is equal to 4. Okay, add these two values, these two equation, we get the value of x. Okay, so add, the y term will be cancelled. So x plus x 2x, here 12 plus 4 16. So it cancel in 2 table. So 8. So x is equal to 8. Okay, now substitute the x value in the any one of the equation. Okay, so I have considered the equation number 2. Substitute x is equal to 8 in the equation number 2. Equation number 2. So equation number 2 is x minus y is equal to 4. So what is the x value? 8. 8 minus y is equal to 4. So minus y is equal to 4 minus 8. So minus 4. Here minus y. Minus minus plus. Okay. So y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. You have to find out the original number. What is the original number? Thus, the original number is 10y plus x, is it? So 10 into, what is the y value? 4. What is the x value? Unit value was 8. So 40 plus 8. So 48. Thus the original number is 48. Thus the original number is 48. Okay, I hope you all understood this concept. Okay, in your book is given in different method. I hope this is useful to understanding. Okay, so you have proceed like this. Okay, and next one of the example 4. Example 4. Find the value A, B and C in the following addition. So one method of addition is given. See, 3A 0 7. Okay, and next one 1 1 B 2. And we get in this place C value and 7 C 4. This is the question. So add பண்ணோம்னா இந்த இடத்துல ஒரு வேல்யூ வரும். ஓகே 7 plus 2 add பண்ணனா C வேல்யூ கிடைக்கும். இந்த வேல்யூ இதுவும் எப்படி தான் இருக்கும், ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். So here we have find out the A, B, C values. Okay, A, B, C values. So how can you find? So add. Clearly given addition. See, add means 7 plus 2. What we get? 9. So what is the value of C? 9. Okay. So here next one 0 plus B is equal to 7. Okay, 0 plus B equal to 7. So what is the value of B? 0. Anga ponu by using the transpose method, 0 move to that side, minus 0. So 7 minus 0 is 7. So what is the value of B? 7. What is the value of B? 7. And next we have find out the A value. So A plus 1 equal to C. Already we have find out the C value. What is the value of C? 9. Okay, so A plus 1 equal to 9. We have the value, need the value of A. We have need the value of A. So A is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 by using the transpose method. Okay, plus 1 move to that side, minus 1. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So answer is A is equal to 8, is it? Hence A is equal to 8, B is equal to 7 and C is equal to 9. Okay, and next example 5. Find the value of the same method. Multiplication is given. Multiplication is given. See the question. A83 C9. Here multiplication. Okay, the first value is A 4 0 A again, and then here B 5 1. So A 0 A C C. This is a problem. This is a given problem. We have find out the A, B, C values. A, B, C values. Okay. So first multiply. So 3 into 9. Okay. Solution. 3 into 9. Multiply these values. This is 9 3s are 3 9s are 27. Okay, but here the values of the place A is 7, ones place, is it? That is a ones place. This is tens place. So remaining 2 is there. Okay, and next multiply 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 2 4, 74. So 4 remaining 7. Okay, here now multiply 9 A's are 9 A's are. What we get? So already we have find out the A value, is it? So what is the A value here? A is equal to 7. So here 7. So 9 into A is equal to 9 into A value is 7. 9 sevens are 63. Okay. 63. 63 plus 4 70. Okay. 60. A value here substitute 7. So 70. Okay. See. First term A 8, 3, C 9. Okay. So multiply 9 3s are 27. So A value is 7 we have find out. So A place right in the 7. A place right in the 7. So here also A is there. So we have write the 7. Okay. So A value is 7. So remaining carry forward to 2 in the tens. So 9 8s are 72 plus 2 74. Remaining 7. Okay. And then next one 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 7 70. We get this A value was 7 7. The circled all the A values. Okay. And next one we have find out the B value. So multiply 3 into C. 3 C star. We have find out C value? No. Okay. So 3 into C is equal to here. Which value is possible here? 4 plus B. In this place we have added, is it? 4 plus B is equal to 0. So which number we have added to the 4? We get the ones place is 0. See 4 plus B is equal to, so ones digit is 0. So that number is 10. Okay, so B is equal to 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Therefore, the B value is 6. Therefore, the B value is 6. Okay. Now substitute in this place of B is 6. B is 6. Already we have find out the C value. Is it? What is that C value? 7. C. A value is sorry. A value is only 7. This is C. So B value is 6. So which number we want? C value. Okay. So 3 into C is equal to 3. C 3s are 6. So which number we have multiply? C is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, the C value is 2. Therefore, C value is 2. Now multiply 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 6, 16, remaining 1, 2 7s are 14 plus 1, 15. We get B values are equal 6, 6. Okay. Now add 7, 4 plus 6, 10, 0, 1. C value is C, 7, is it? 7, 7 plus 5, 12, 9, 1, 2. So C values are 2, 2, 2. C places. And A values are 7. Okay. How can you find out? Do you understand the concept? Okay. The sum of the value is 10. So we have find out the B value. We have find out the B value. After multiply this value is equal to B value. Is it? 3 C's are the B value. So multiply and get the value of, find out the value of C. Okay, now substitute, we get the answer. So thus the result, hence A is equal to 7, B is equal to 6 and C is equal to 2. C is equal to 2. Okay, very clear? Now move to the next one of that. Fifth problem is completed. I will move to the next one of the concept, coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. So coding and decoding, many messages of strategic importance which are sent by politicians, okay, army, and then businessmen. We have used this, okay, may require secrecy. Secrecy அதாவது சீக்ரெட் நம்பர்ஸை வந்து நம்ம என்ன செய்வோம், கோடிங் மூலமாக இன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுறது. அதாவது அந்த பர்சன்ஸ்க்கு மட்டும்தான் அந்த சீக்ரெசி கோடை பற்றி தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். ஸோ இது வந்து மோஸ்ட்லி வி ஹாவ் யூஸ் இன் தி பிஸ்னஸ் பிளேசஸ் and army, okay, army officers, politicians, they are using the coding methods. Okay, sometimes even children use code language to talk to close friends. Is it? பேசுவீங்கல்ல, என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க, உங்கள் க்ளோஸ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்கிட்ட மட்டும் நீங்கள் என்ன செய்வீங்க, some secret codes you have used it. Okay, so that also called the coding and decoding. Okay, it has two types. One is letter substitution, another one is numerical substitution. Okay, it has two types. One is two types. So first one is letter substitution, another one is numerical substitution. Numerical letter and numerical substitutions. Okay, okay, now see the letter substitution method. Okay, letter substitution. Okay, see the example for letter substitution method. Okay, letter substitution method, using a simple substitution code, the word exam is written as FYBN. So the example 6, okay, exam, this code, okay, this code is written as, how can written, FYBN. Okay, using the same code, decoding the word in the coding vachu. Okay, yeah, using the same code, decoding the word, decoding the word NBUIFNBUJDT. Okay, so this is a coding word. This coding word converted to the decoding given this type. Okay, we have to find out the decoding the word of NBUIFNBUJDT. Okay, see, E coding, decoding to the F, X decoding to Y, and A, B, and M decoding to the, that is a replace to the next the letters. E after F, X, Y, B, A after B, M, N. So E has been replaced by F, X is replaced by Y. So we have considered the next one of the letter is given. Okay, so E after F, X after Y, A after B, and M after N is given. So the same coding using to find out the decoding of this given numbers, given letters. Okay, so N. So what is that? N next number. Here N is given. F before E. So M before N before M. Is it? N before M. Here N is given. So the coding word is M. Okay. So B A. B A. And then U. U before. What is that value? T. Is it? U க்கு முன்னாடி என்னமா letter alphabet? T. Okay. And I. H. Okay. H. F before. E. F before. E. And then this is a decoding. We have to find out decoding number. So before of the letter we have to find out. Okay. So H E. N means M. A. U means T. J before. I J. Is it? I and D before C and T before S. So the code word is mathematics. Mathematics we have using the decoding is NBUIFNBUJD. Okay. See. Next one is numerical substance. Thus, the word, what is that word? NBUIFNBUJDT can be decoded as, what is that? Mathematics. Mathematics. Okay. And next one is numerical substitutions. Numerical substitutions. Numerical substitutions means have using the numerals. Okay. So you see the example 7. Use the following codes to decoding the message 5, 14, 7, 12, 9, 19 and 8. This is a numerical numbers is given. So what is that decode word? We have to find out. Okay. So first write the alphabets. How many letters in alphabets? 26. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. So which are the coding words are given? 5. 5 represent the E. Is it? First letter is E. Okay. So you will write 5 means the letter, which letter? E. And next 14. 14 means which letter ma? 14? N. Okay. And next one 7. 7 means the letter is G. And then 12. What is that? 12 means L. Okay. And next one 9. So 9 means 9 mean the letter I. Mean the letter is I. And next one 19. 19 means the letter S. 19. 19 means the letter is S. And final one is 8. 8 means the letter H. Okay, what we made the letter English, ENGLISH, English. Thus the result, therefore the decoded word is ENGLISH, English. Okay, I hope you all understood that concept of numbers in general form and coding and decoding. Okay, if you have any doubt, you will ask to me. Okay, so next section we have learned the next class. Okay, learn the number and puzzle games. Okay, and remaining parts. Thank you, students.